This is gonna be the last video that you'll ever have to see before making an extra 2 grand a month completely passively as a teenager. So watch it completely. And if you can't give me 11 minutes of your time to change your life because of your dopamine addicted brain trying to scroll past and click on other videos, then I'm sorry bro, you'll never achieve your goals.
And who am I to teach you all of this? Well, my name is Night Malik and I run one of the largest Instagram theme pages marketing agency. I've grown and sold hundreds of Instagram theme pages and I've made tens of thousands of dollars using CPI. In fact, here is one of my Sweatcoin accounts that have done about $6,000 using Sweatcoin. Here you can see this. First off, what is CPI? Well, CPI is cost per install, where you get paid for each download that you bring to that particular company. And today we're gonna focus on Sweatcoin. They pay $1.5 per install that you get in. As long as you are in a first world country, or most importantly, you have first world audience on your Instagram theme page. Don't worry, because I'm gonna walk you through my step-by-step framework to build high quality first world audience and get them to install the app all organically via Instagram theme pages. What exactly is an Instagram theme page? Well, it's just a page where you repost other people's content with your own twist in a specific niche, so you grow and build your audience. The beauty of Instagram theme pages is that you don't need to create original content. You'll just find trending posts and you will add your own twist, and then you'll grow millions of impressions. And the best part, anyone can start a successful Instagram theme page within just a couple of minutes per day. Now let's talk about different niches on Instagram theme pages. The key here is to pick viral niches that aren't too broad but also not too narrow, just specific enough to grab attention from your audience. And remember, since we are targeting high-paying first world customers, your content has to be in English and aimed at the US market. So how do you find those viral niches? Let me break it down for you. This is the exact same strategy that I've used to pinpoint niches that blow up. So it all starts with the warm-up method. So let's talk about the warm-up method. First step is to create a new Instagram page and start by focusing on a broad niche. Let's say horror videos. It's a really broad topic, right? So warming up means actively engaging with content in this specific niche. By engaging, I mean like liking some posts and commenting on some posts and following some relevant accounts. Do this for 20 minutes and then you'll start to see a lot of viral niches in your Explore page and your Reels tab. Now it's time to pick your sub niche. Let's say after warming up you have found some good sub niches, for example like horror CCTV footages or stuff like that. Take your time and then try to find really high quality sub niches that are getting quite a lot of views and are quite viral. It will be really easy for you to find sub niches once you have done the warm up method properly for a while. So if once you have picked the sub niche, just start to like, comment and follow some relevant pages in your sub niche. And from there you will easily be able to find viral videos that you will pick and repost to grow your Instagram theme page. Now let's talk about picking viral content. Take a look at your Explore page and start to see patterns in what's working. For example, if most posts are averaging like 20 to 30,000 likes per post, but you notice a few outliers that are getting like 100k or 200k views, those are the kind of posts that you have to start focusing on. These outliers are gold because they are driving crazy traffic. And by reposting similar content, you'll be able to drive same traffic towards your page and then convert that into money using Sweatcoin. Now, how do you put your own spin on the content to maximize your growth? Here's the deal. Instagram is really favoring original content nowadays. They're not keen on just reposting other people's content unless you already have a massive following. So how exactly do you create that original flair? Now, here is the best and the easiest method that you can use to make your content original and gain millions of impressions. The method is to create compilations of viral posts in your niche with a layout and some captions. And we'll do this using Canva, and I'll share exactly how to do it now. Alright, so once you have warmed up your Instagram theme page, your Explore should look something like this. Now this page is warmed up for the scary videos, so you can see all sorts of scary videos here, right? I'll just go ahead and pick 3 viral videos in the scary niche and then I'll be back. Alright, so I would really suggest you to add at least 3 videos in a compilations unless it's really huge. But in this scary niches content, I think most of the videos aren't that huge, so I'll just pick 3 viral videos and then I'll be back. So once you have picked a viral video like this, you will go ahead and click on copy link, and you also must have the repost app on your mobile phone and you will use that to download it. So this is the one that I use for my Apple iPhone, but if you have an Android, you will find some similar options on your Play Store. Alright, so once you've got your videos here, you will just click on them and click on repost. Now you don't have to repost it from here, but it will get downloaded on your mobile phone. So I'll do this for 2 more videos and then I'll be back. Alright, so once you've got your videos in your gallery, you will go to Canva and create a layout. Here's exactly how to do that. So I'm just gonna use mobile phone in this case, but if you have a PC or any notebook, I would really prefer to edit it on that. But in this case, because most of the people are using mobile phones, I will just show an example here. Alright, so you have to click on this plus icon and then you have to search Instagram Reel. Select this one. Now first of all, we'll create the layout, and after that we'll add the videos, and then boom, the content would be original and ready to grow. In this case, I'll just make sure that the background is black because that goes with the scary videos vibe. So I'll just select this color as black. And now I'll just add an AI image here to make it look a little bit good, so that'll drive a lot of attention. I'll just go to Google and search up like scary AI images. Let's just download one of them. You'll have to save the image and then you'll get back here. Click on upload photo library, add the image here, and after you have added it here, just make sure that it's properly sized. Just make sure it's in the center. Just go ahead and click on transparency and make it really low. Let's say 10% or something like this. Now this looks good. So alright, so this is our background of the layout. Let's add our profile picture and then we'll add our name. Alright, to add the profile picture, first you have to add a frame so it looks good. Let's just type in circle frame. Now this itself is not an image. This is just a frame where you'll add your logo. Just make it a little bit small. Something like this works. Let's just add our logo here. So let's just assume that this is our logo. Add it here. Okay, now this looks good, but it's a bit bland. Let's just give it a little bit of border so it looks good. Click on style, click one of them, and let's make it 4 pixels tall. Let's click on border color and then make it white. Yeah, now this looks much better. Now next step is to add our name and then add the niche of our page. So for example, let's click on text and use this third one to add your name and the niche of the page. So let's say the name is like scared, something like that. After adding the name, just make sure that it's bold. If you make any mistakes while doing this, just click on this button and it will get resetted and then it will undo it. Now add the name here. After that, let's just copy it and add it here. Let's now add the niche of the page. So for example, if this is dedicated to like scary footages, I'll just add like dedicated to scary footages, and this doesn't have to be bold. I'll just go here and then click on this bold button. Make sure it's not so bold. Again, if you make any mistakes during this, just click on the undo button and it will get reverted. Let's just adjust it a bit. Let's see how it looks. Alright, so it's fine. Let's just now adjust it a bit and make sure that it's in the center. We have to make sure that it's a little bit down. Okay, so here's our layout. This is our profile picture and our name and the niche of the page. Niche of the page is really important because that way people will know what's the reason to follow you, what kind of content you are providing them. Now let's just add the frame for our posts. Again, go to elements and search frame. And this is the frame that we are looking for, this rounded rectangle or whatever that is, because this is getting quite a lot of attraction. Just make sure it's not too big. This is just about this size and it's in the complete center. Once you see both of these guidelines, you'll be sure that it's in the proper center. Now again, this is just a frame. We'll add the videos in a bit. Let's just start adding them. First of all, before adding any videos, I'll just add a line for the captions that we'll add in a bit. So caption should be somewhere here, should have somewhere here. Just use the guidelines, and the video doesn't necessarily have to be centered vertically, but it's really important to make sure that it's centered horizontally. Now let's just adjust it a bit. Now this is captions, so we will change the format to this one so it comes from left to right, not in the center. Okay, cool. Our layout is ready and we'll use this exact same layout every time we'll post the content, and we don't have to create it again and again. It's just one time. After that, it's just like 5 minutes of work to add the content. Now we'll just duplicate it 2 more times here to add the other compilations of the post. So click on here. After that, click on more, click on duplicate, and then click on duplicate again. We have these 3 layouts that are ready and we can add our content here. Click on upload and upload all of the content that you have downloaded using the repost app. Now once you've got your videos here, click on the first video, that whichever one you want to add. Let's just click on it. Now we have to crop it a bit to make sure that the main part of the content is in the center and we are not adding any random captions or stuff. So once you have cropped it like this, just click on it and then go on this frame and it will be automatically get connected to it, and here you can see this now. After the first one is done, just go to the second page, swipe it, and you'll be able to get to the second page. Click on upload and then upload the next video. Let's just crop it a bit, make sure that the main point is in the center. Here you can see this, the second post is ready as well. Let's just add the third post now. Go to the third page, swipe it and go to the third page, and then click on upload again and add the third post. Crop it again. Once all of the posts are added, now we'll add captions to each of the posts, and then it's all done. Then our original content is ready and we are ready to explode. Now to get captions, the best way is to watch the comments of the post and then try and make sense of that and use those as a reference for the captions. For example, let's say this post, I'll just go on this post. I'll see some comments. I'll just use one of them for my captions. For example, this one is really funny, or her name is Sweet Princess or something like that. I'll just use one of the comments as reference and I'll add something here. To click on the caption and then add the comment here. Now see, the text is going off this video. I'll just adjust it a bit to make sure that it's within the frame. Yeah, now the text is ready. Let's just adjust it a bit. Yeah, this this looks good. Let's just do it for the next video. Let's just do it for the last video. You can also add some emojis to give it a little bit of flair, and let's just see how it looks now. Now let's just add a little bit of transition between them. Click on this plus icon and then let's just add dissolve. Let's see which one works good. Yeah, the slide one looks good. Let's just add it over here as well. So boom, here you go. Here's your original content, and I promise you will blow up so hard using this exact same method, and you'll be able to gain heck ton of followers and reach. Now let's just click on here and download it. Use this exact same method to create posts and upload 2 to 3 times every single day, and you will get a lot of attraction. So if you're looking for even more resources regarding Sweatcoin and all of this stuff, all of the resources are available in our Discord server. First link in the description. Just go ahead and join it, and I'll see you there. Now, how would we use that attraction to grow and make money, because that's the most important part, right? So let's talk about setting up Sweatcoin. The first step is to download the Sweatcoin app using the App Store or the Play Store. After that, you will click on this influencer hub and you will find this link here. You will copy it and then you will start to promote the content. You won't see any offers before you've got like 20 downloads. After 20 downloads, you have to select USA as your country if the audience is from USA, and then you'll get $1.5 per install. You can use Wise and PayPal to get paid, and I think you need like 33 invites for $50. That's like minimum. Just copy this link and paste it on your page. Now once you've started to gain some attraction on your page, now how would you convert that into app installs and then into money? Well, there are a couple of ways by which you can promote the Sweatcoin app. The first way is to promote in the first line of the caption of the reels. The first line could be like something get paid to walk, link in bio or something like that. After that, you're gonna add a long paragraph and complete the post. That way you will gain a lot of attraction. The second way is to use pinned comments. Just use the same account and comment something about the post, like follow if you like that post, and then add some call to action. Don't forget to download the app in our bio because it pays to walk or whatever. And lastly, the best way to promote Sweatcoin is hands down via carousel video posts. You'll create compilations of different posts in your niche in a carousel instead of a reel, and then you'll add an ad in between them regarding Sweatcoin. But don't do this unless you have already got like 10,000 followers, because before that point Instagram doesn't really promote carousel video posts on a lot of pages. After that, you will be able to make a lot of money using carousel because carousels get insane reach and insane conversion.